in this video I start putting the thatch on. First time I've done this, so it's going to be a learning experience. You having fun?
Yes.
G'day, welcome to Chestnut and Axe Tools Japan. My name is Stuart Chignall, and the last video in this series I just finished battening out this corner of the roof. It's 1/4 of the roof, and it's now ready to receive the thatch. I've never done this before, so it's going to be a bit of a learning experience, but that's what these videos are for, to document it, and hopefully some other people coming along behind me, well, be easy for you guys because you've seen me stuff it up. Now, I've only done 1/4 of the roof because I'm not sure how this battening arrangement is going to work, particularly for the valley. And I thought, rather than doing the entire roof battened out and then find out, well, that's actually not working, I'd only do 1/4 and see how that went. And if it works well, I'll batten out the rest of the roof. But for now, we've got to get the thatch ready to put on.
Inside the haystack.
I can go inside, you two can't. If anyone touches these, they're going to be in big trouble.
Okay.
Catch anything, boys?
Yeah. I caught it 2 catfishes.
Catfish?
Yeah, I got fishes. I got a fish!
Well, now that the kids have gone in for a little bit, I've got a little bit of peace and quiet, and actually I can talk to you about what I'm doing. Trying to do it before that was just no way, trying to get them to be quiet. Now, I wasn't expecting this to be super easy, especially with the dormer and the valley, but it is proving a bit more challenging than I thought it would be. Just trying to work out how to hold the bundles in place so they don't slide down the roof has been a bit awkward, but I've got that now. Now, however, I think I'm going to have to change my plans, change what I'm doing, and I'll show you why. So what I had been doing is sticking a spar underneath the wood over there and then tying it off temporarily to the batten. But that's not working because I actually need this bundle to be right in the valley because we're getting a bit of a gap there. And with it pinching the way it is, it's coming out too far. So what I think I actually need to do, put a temporary loop there to hold the spar, and then have the temporary tie here to sort of pinch it to hold it in place. So it's kind of the same thing, but a little bit different. Take push those up. I'm a bit concerned about a number of things. Gonna have to really rethink how I'm doing this as I get higher. I've laid over half the bundles of thatch already, and I'm not even I'm not even halfway up the roof, this portion of the roof, and it's getting wider as I go up, so I don't think I'm going to get much higher. Well, here's another lesson learnt. don't tighten the spars too much before you have the thatch even out. So from my research, you're not meant to have the front, this bit showing, and you're meant to slope the ends back so you've just got one end after another. But now that I've tightened the spars, I can't move it, so I'm gonna have to loosen. There's a dolphin in my pocket. I took it off the kids because I was trying to film and they kept on. So I'm gonna have to loosen everything off and reposition it. Lesson from the future. What I should have done here is just leave it alone. The rush, as you see, is still green. That means it's still drying. That means it's still shrinking. And if I just left it a couple of days, I could have come back and just tapped it into shape and it would have been fine to get it into the shape. Now, I can't remember the source where it said lay the rush green, but I did it on as they suggested, just because, you know, they're thatchers, I'm not, and so they know what they're talking about. But in the videos to come, you'll see me harvesting a stack more rush, because I got nowhere near enough. But you'll also see me adapting my technique and learning as I go and putting in more lessons as I refine how to get the thatch on there faster, more efficiently, and the key one, as it turned out, is neater. Getting this stuff neat is hard. So I hope you'll hang around for those. If you want to see them, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so when it comes out, you'll get notified. And if by some chance that you have experience at thatching with rush, please give me some pointers, because I've learned a lot in doing this. I've learned a lot since then, but geez, I have got such a way to climb the learning curve. So any help you can offer would be awesome. But on the other hand, if you're like me and you've wanted to thatch and you haven't known how to do it, I hope that my mistakes will save you some time and effort. Catch you in the next video. Bye-bye. But as it was, that shrinkage caused me some real problems. So I don't know who the person was who said that you had to lay rush. What a catastrophe. Yeah, that's enough out of you.